Kasano, Rukomini, Baba, Marcus, Shango Doyin, Akin Lana, Moin Joko, Ni, Lake Pontchartrain, New Orleans, Louisiana. Well, Faisoro, I want to speak to you about the community ЭКО that we did on the 26th of Ireno, March 2020, to the one and only Irumale, Orisha, Obalúaiyé. I got back already with one video where I shared some of the results of that collective community ЭКО. On the tail end of this video, I'm going to share some more results. Some of the advice that was given to us as a community by Obalúaiyé was for our international community, and some was for the community here in New Orleans. Okay? Now, for the community members here in the New Orleans metro area, you will remember, or you can go back and check for yourself, on the video that we made on the 26th of Ireno, 2020, Obalúaiyé said for us to put our heads down for 2 weeks, and then like prairie dog, pop up after 2 weeks and see which way the wind was blowing, what was going on, how we should make moves or plans. And sure enough, on the 9th of April, the governor of Louisiana and his team, John Bell Edwards, said that tentatively they thought that the curve of corona was flattening, meaning that it is still extremely dangerous, but because of the several weeks of physical distancing and stay at home and quarantine, that the spread was not increasing. Now today is later, I'm not sure what the date is today, I'll maybe put it up in the video, I'm not sure what today's date is, but anyway, today is later, and we can look back on these events in hindsight. Today is like around the 19th of Igbe, I believe it is the 19th. Today is Ojo Aiku, Sunday, the 19th of Igbe. So, 10 days after the governor's tentative declaration that the curve might be flattening, and we can kind of see how things are going. Under no circumstance did Obalúaiyé say, after the 2-week period, which would have been up around the 9th or the 10th of Igbe, depending on how you counted the 2 weeks to 14 days, under no circumstance did Orisha say that we should jump up and start running around and disregarding physical distancing, disregarding quarantine, disregarding stay at home, and disregarding safe, common sense practices to try to cut the spread of coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, as it evolves into a deadly, potentially deadly sickness. So, check the rest of this video. I'll edit in some of the other results from the work that we have been doing, which includes not only the ЭКО sacrifice we made to Obalúaiyé, but also the home remedy, common sense application of steam therapy, which we got from this brother Rasayana, who's coming out of South Florida. I wish for you that Omolu or Ya Atibogbo Irumale will help you to survive and then thrive in this coronavirus. And personally, I also wish that we human beings learn how to better our relationship as citizens of ILE, citizens of this world, or I could even say guests of ILE, so that we can contribute less to pollution, destruction of the natural environment, unalignment with Orisha and the natural divinities that is at least part, if not in total, the cause of global warming pandemics, etc., so forth. Check the rest of the video, ỌRԻШÀ. Okay, this first family here was dealing with multiple challenges, as you can see. We'll get in there. There was a car accident, and the sister had COVID-19. So they participated in the ЭКО for ỌBALÚAIYÉ, and the sister started doing the steaming, which at first got off to a slow start. But once that sister got onto the steaming, on the back of the ЭКО we did for ỌBALÚAIYÉ, then we got good results. Of course, I'm blocking people's identity for their privacy. Here now you have a case that was in the Caribbean outside the United States. And this awesome mama, she came down with corona-like symptoms. We don't know for a fact if she had COVID-19. I'm sure you're all aware that testing is few and far between. Irregardless, she participated in the ЭКО, and we did the steaming. Now, these are some more cases. This one here was for an auntie who had COVID-19. She also may have been on a medicine, but it wasn't doing well. That's been a recurring theme. You can read for yourself. Pause the video if you need to take a moment to read. A recurring theme, people have been contacting me. They've been on these medicines for pneumonia, etc., whatever. But it's not working. And then they start steaming and it works. This one here was straight ỌBALÚAIYÉ delivered this young man here out of the hospital. And here's another get back from steaming. May y'all be well.